to Dr. Heming Abad for participating as a reader in the extension activity of Kumustahan 28. Picture po muna, sir, the center. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Next is we present the certificate to Professor Romulo Baquiran Jr. The certificate is presented to Prof. Luna Sicatleto. Thank you. We present the next certificate to Professor John Teodoro. Thank you, Sir John. Next, we present the certificate to Professor Santiago Villacania. Next, we present this certificate to Professor Januar Yang. Thank you. And last but not the least, we present the certificate to Ma'am Linda Bulo. We'd like to thank also UPLB, of course, for hosting our extension activity. So we would like to present a certificate also to Professor John Toledo for participating as our MC for this extension activity. Thank you, Sir John. And of course, we'd like to call on Dr. Leonora M. Kahutagana to please come on stage. We have two certificates for Dr. Nora and also for UPLB Department of Humanities. Ang sasapay na lang. We would like to call on all the readers for a group photo. Thank you. Please join us and Professor John.
Everybody, please fill up the feedback form, which is at the back. Alright, we're gonna return to the staff organizers. Alright, thank you. That ends our Kumustahan by Baby.